And you're going?
To the hospital.
No, you are not.
No, Sierra Rose is in the nursery with a bunch of strange kids.
Do not mess with me, Stacy Marasco. You're gonna lie down and take a load off. Okay? There's like 5 feet of snow out there. The roads are a sheet of ice, and you're in no condition. Now lie the hell down. Good. Now I'm gonna go get you another blanket.
Okay.
See, kid, just stick with me and you're good. I love you.
I love you too. I love you too, Rex. I don't care what anybody says. It's not over for us. It's just the beginning.
Come on, Gigi! Got her? Almost, she's slipping. Okay. I got her. Gigi?
Here's another blanket. There's a majorly stocked linen closet upstairs. Stacy? Stace? Oh my God. Stacy?
Careful! I know, I got it.
It'll be okay. Okay. No matter whose little girl you are, don't you worry.
Come on. Gigi, wake up! Gigi! She needs CPR. Okay. Just stop. I know what to do. I'm a mess, dude. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rex, keep talking to her. Gigi, please, wake up. Okay? Do you hear me? There are way too many people who love you.